I'm going to close that off, run it out of fuel. So here's how we start it. We got a 6-volt here, some leads going up on the ground, and we got one going to the starter, the battery there, 12 volts. So for ignition, got 6 volts right on here. There we go, a little bit of choke. And hold this right here like this. Carburetor's out of gas. It's nicer to have it sit like that. So this is part 2. If you didn't see the first video, might as well watch it. Don't want to miss out. So I guess the next step is to move this truck off the driveway for a while till I have some free time, and I'll pull the engine, weld on some fenders, hang a door on it, make it look good. And we're going to put it back way in the trees over there where you'll be able to see it from the driveway but not from the road. And I got these cool old doors here we're going to put on it. That's the plan. So this was just a quick second video showing how it was running, and if you want to watch the first video, go ahead. Thanks for watching. See you soon.